হ্যালো, how are you? সবাই কেমন আছেন? Today I'm going to make a tuna chop with vegetables. Now I have here a tuna chunks and brain. We buy it from shop, but you can make it use any fish without any bone. So this is the tuna flashes. So I've got about say 1 tin, and 1 tin is 425 gram. Now I have here a little bit of onion crush and potato. So say about 2 tablespoons of potato, and I have peas. So it's good for health. You have vegetables, fish, and your the vegetable and fish is good for everyone's, including kids. So here's the corn, about a half cup. So, and I'm going to add say about half teaspoon, or it's up to you. I don't use too much salt, too much, for a healthy reason. So some the black pepper. Careful about kids, how much they can have it. So it's good for especially kids. You can let them eat this kind of food without the less man. Now I have just 1 teaspoon of or less. It's up to you how much you can use this one. Okay, so I use 1 tin for 1 teaspoonful of jeera, or it calls cumin seed. So I love cumin seed because most of the cooking I use that one in any kind of food, including Bangladeshi food. So that is, you can say that is my, but now I'm gonna add very little, say about 2 tablespoons of normal flour or maida, 2 tablespoons. That's enough to bind the whole, this is basically, we can say chop or cutlet. So just mix it with everything. So I love this tuna fish chop, because I do not eat enough fish, or I'm not a very good fish eater or meat eater. So love vegetables, but sometimes you have to have the proteins. That's why I take some. Now also I'm gonna eat, to bind it, I'm gonna eat a half of the egg. You can add, the white part is much better. So sometimes I do use a little bit, but thing is, yeah, that's it, that'll do. Just a white part. So I'm putting all those things, and I'm gonna make all this chop mold. So coming back to you soon. So I made in this shape. So I'm going to fry it. So this shape is, I like this kind of shape. So you can do any shape, not a problem, but it is so healthy, good for kids especially. So you can make for them, they will eat it without the rice or anything. Give them a little bit of red sauce or tomato sauce or something like that. I'm going to fry it now. So just let it, it's already, okay. So I got just tissue paper here, or to soak the oil, and I use the canola oil, which is good for health. And I've got the little spoon, or sorry, fork in here, kata chamuch, and I'm waiting for this to heat really good way, so that way temperature, if this temperature is not good, it will break. Okay, so I feel like it's okay. So you have fish, it's good for health. Peas, no need to have the peas or something like that. You can use the carrot, gajar, and other maybe very fine cut of shag, or other just make it, so it's happening. So I will turn if one side done, I will turn that time. So I've added egg, flour, maida, and to bind it. So hopefully it will bind properly. Okay, so now it's turning other side. So don't need to burn too much. So slowly, carefully turn it. Okay, so that's the color you need, and up to you. Some people need because I love this medium color. So okay, we have that color comes well. So this is one of my favorite dish or recipe. So yeah, give it a few seconds, should be okay. Hopefully almost done. This is, see, both sides is same color. So I'm going to put in on tissue, so that way your oil would be dissolved or taken away. So I'm very happy with my tuna fish chop. Its color is beautiful and binded well, no breaking. Okay, so I'm going to off the stove now. So okay, now here you go. We have tuna fish with some vegetable. Kids don't want to eat anything, so you can try for them. They will love it. You also can do same process with chicken. Boil the chicken and exactly follow the same recipe. So they will eat it with the tomato sauce and anything else. Okay.